My name is Camacho. I'm running to be your next judge of the 342nd Civil District Court. I believe that you should vote for me for who I am, what I stand for, and what I will bring to this bench. I was born and raised in San Antonio, Texas. I was educated in Texas as well. I went to Austin College undergrad, and I went to St. Mary's Law School. I graduated from law school in 2001 in the top 5% of my class, which is important because you need somebody on the bench who is educated and has relevant legal experience to the bench, to the cases that will be brought before this court. I have been a member of the State Bar College since 2006, which means I do twice as much continuing legal education each year because I think it's important to stay educated. I have handled cases that range from personal injury jury trials, federal court intellectual property trials, real estate litigation. I have business clients whom I handle everything from their transactional work to their litigation. I believe that I will be the judge that would bring integrity and fairness to all parties before this bench. And I say that because I'm not taking special interest donations. My husband and I are self-funding my campaign because we believe that if we're not willing to pay for it, we shouldn't ask somebody else to. Additionally, I have a defined plan of action to reduce delays which impede trials and will save taxpayer money. That's important to me because justice delayed is justice denied. I want you guys to know that I have a picture here because this is the first thing I purchased at a gun show. And it says the Constitution isn't just a good idea, it's the law. I believe that strongly. I handle First Amendment litigation, and I have commercial clients who have had to make choices based on money and not on justice or fairness. When a judge does not apply the law fairly, they're violating the Constitution. They are stepping outside their defined role within our government. My defined plan of action to reduce delays, which will allow parties to get to trial so they don't have to give up their constitutional right to a trial, is to set aside 30 to 45 minutes a day to have telephone conferences or web camera conferences, something of that sort. We utilize technology to handle all of those non-evidentiary hearings. They don't need to come down to the court. It'll save money for the parties. The trials will move more swiftly, and it'll protect your constitutional right to a trial. I believe I have the most rigorous education and the most relevant legal experience. I believe that I'll bring integrity and fairness to all parties. You won't have to wonder if the attorney on the other side gave more money to my campaign than you did, and if there's any chance that my decision might be made that way. I've been in cases where judges did not apply the law fairly. I'm not just saying this as a platitude. The Constitution, our statutes, our rules of evidence, our rules of procedure, if they're all applied fairly, then everybody comes to the court with a level playing field, and the law determines your case, and the facts of your case can be heard, as opposed to having the case decided based on the judge's inclination whether or not to apply the law. I think you should vote for me because I'm the party here who knows that I can make hard decisions. I will make those hard decisions. I won't delay. And I ask you to vote for me in 2018. Thank you.